In our unique educational environment at School of Design, MIT-WPU University, we recognize that each student brings their own innate abilities, and it's our mission to nurture these talents, equipping them with the skills to lead and innovate in a world fueled by their purposeful imagination. Our learning experience is immersive, dynamic, and truly holistic. Our approach to design education is truly transdisciplinary.
In MIT-WPU School of Design, we get a lot of practical experience and industry exposure. The program is not just limited to interior and space designing, but you get various options such as retail designing, exhibition designing, industry designing, etc.
I just want to point out that the faculty has been really helpful. They've shown us how to do hands-on work, and I thought it would be mainly theoretical, but no, it was hands-on, and we worked with many materials.
The various design research projects allow us to learn with hands-on experience. So if you are a design enthusiast, MIT-WPU is your shot.
At MIT-WPU University, our students have unparalleled opportunities to collaborate with peers from diverse fields like engineering, management, health sciences, biotech, law, and liberal arts. The focus is on visualization, creative thinking, and empathy.